Alright, YouTubers. This is my son, Omir. He's got a loose tooth. Let's see it. Come on, open your mouth. We got a loose tooth right here. And he didn't want to take it out. So, we're going to make it fun for him. We got this little string hooked up to this little car here.
Yeah.
And we're going to use this remote controller. And we're going to hit the gas. And the tooth should come out flying. Are you guys ready? Gotta make sure, hold on. I gotta back up here. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Gotta make sure you press it hard, because it could go straight. 3, 2, 1, go!
It got out!
Where is it? Where's your tooth? Let's see. Oh. Where did it go? Alright, so we just gotta find this tooth. Let's see. Oh, I think I found it. We found the tooth. Here we are. You see? We found it. Let's see.
I just wanna hi people. So if you didn't hear my name, then I'm going to say it again because my name is Elmir.
Yeah, it is. Now let me ask you, did it hurt? Did it hurt?
No.
It did not hurt, did it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have fun though?
Yeah.
And it came out like there was nothing.
Yeah.
Good job.
So people, I was brave.
You were brave, weren't you?
Yeah.
Alright, well that's it. That's how you're gonna pull a tooth. Kids gonna have fun.
I hope you.
And best of all, it's not gonna hurt.
If you do the same thing as the same car, tell us down below.
Comment below. Let us know what you thought about the video.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.